Welcome to this brief introduction of the CI Hub add-in for Outlook. This add-in allows you to search and browse your DEM or any other kind of system and drag and drop files to attach them to your email without leaving Outlook. CI Hub is connected to nearly 50 leading systems, and there will be more in the next months. Now I would like to send an image via email to my colleague, and to do so I'm searching in my connected system. So the found image has 34 megabytes and it's too large to send it via email. So with the CI Hub add-in I can select a low resolution file and place it directly into my mail. The integrated IPTC content could also be placed just via drag and drop into the email. Pricing starts with 99 cents per month. For further information, just have a look at our website cihub.com.